Today we're unboxing the Botslab dash camera, designed for full control and safety on the road. Inside the box, everything is neatly organized with a clean and well thought out design. Installation is simple and quick, and the magnetic design makes it easy to position and adjust the cameras. As soon as you power it on, the device is ready to go with an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The 3.18-inch touchscreen makes it easy to access all functions. High-quality recording up to 4K delivers clear and detailed footage in any situation. The built-in GPS tracks your route, while the app allows you to view, download, and manage your footage easily. The 4-camera system provides visibility from multiple angles, helping reduce blind spots. Side cameras help capture areas that are usually hard to see in mirrors, improving overall driving safety. The G sensor automatically detects impacts and saves important footage without any extra action. In parking mode, the system continues to monitor the vehicle and records any movement or impact. With an f1.8 aperture, the night recording stays clear even in low-light conditions. Overall, the Botslab dash camera delivers clear recording, full control, and added confidence on every drive.